My wife says I gotta give something away. Give something away? Yeah. Well, you know, they say it's better to give than it is to receive. And that's the truth. The good book says that. So I'm going to the Rockabilly Hot Rod Rumble in Summer Duck, Virginia, and I'm gonna have a giveaway. So we're gonna bring the me-haul truck up there, and I'm gonna meet all my all my fans and everything. I got tons and tons of little kids that love watching my videos. I don't even make them for kids. They just love watching them. And the ones that I cut their hair and everything. Anyways, I'm gonna be giving away this tool cart from Harbor Freight. And it's easy to win. All you gotta do is come to the car show and show me or my wife that you have a subscription to my channel. That's it. Just show that you got a subscription to the channel. And then we're gonna put your name in a big bowl and take a drawing. And before the end of the car show, we're going to draw a name out and we'll give you a call. And you come back to the truck and pick up your toolbox. That's what I'm talking about. Think about it. Your own Harbor Freight toolbox. So it's going to be the Rockabilly Hot Rod Rumble. It's put off by the Carb Kings. It's a car club, and it's an awesome show. There's going to be drag racing. They're going to be selling parts. It's a lot of classic cars. And I think it's going to have a good time for the whole family. There's going to be bands. There's going to be a pinup contest. Drag racing and more drag racing. Oh, Lord. So come on down to the Rockabilly Hot Rod Rumble in Summer Duck, Virginia, and win this tool cart right here. Oh. God bless you. Good luck.